عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. فاسألوا أهل الذكر إن كنتم لا تعلمون. Even after the truth has become clear to them, if indeed many of the people of the that is the type of question. Don't let that become a problem where it leads to oppression. And so always bear in mind what Allah Azza wa Jal commands and what is pleasing to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. It is permissible to do so. And so that is because from the mercy of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is clearly that woman at one point or another will have to continue to move on with her life. She may choose never to get married again, but she may also choose to get married. So this is something which Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala mentions to us here. And then Allah Azza wa Jal says, and especially preserve the Asr prayer, which is the prayer as we know in the middle of the day, the Asr prayer.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم